Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Atok token address to your Trust wallet. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the token details you'll need. The network is BNB Smart Chain. The token name is Atok. The symbol is also ATOK, and the decimal is 18. I'll display the contract address on the screen. Make sure to pause the video and copy it. Now, open your Trust Wallet app. From the home screen, tap on Manage Crypto. This will open the token management screen. From here, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new token. Next, make sure the network is set to BNB Smart Chain. Paste the correct address you copied earlier into the provided field. If the token details don't fill in automatically, manually enter the name as Atok, the symbol as ATOK, and set the decimals to 18. Once everything looks good, scroll down and tap Import at the bottom. And that's it. You've successfully added the Atok token to Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.